Sorry ass DJ.
But before that, guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews.
Double cup, big straight holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.
Sorry ass DJ.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy portal resurrecting soon. Time to shine! Ha! Keep it up! An enemy has been slain! Mega kill! An enemy has been slain! Double kill!
It's a disaster.
We can do it! Your team destroyed a turret! Launch attack! Keep it up until you're as double kill! Legendary! Ha! Double kill! Ha! Ha! I will drive away the triple kill! An enemy has been slain! Maniac! Ha! Request backup! Legendary! Double kill! Mega kill!
Disaster.
Ha! Legendary! Turret! Launch attack! Keep it up until you're as brilliant as me. I'm legendary! Ha!
Sorry ass DJ.
The blue team has occupied base C.
ولاد خالي كبار.
Nice shot. Reloading. Target down. Cover me. Enemy down. Dead.
اخو جارة على. Uno, yo quería muerto siempre.
Second half.
موضوع يا
Nice shot. Reloading.
ايوه ما ليش. داشخ بانكية. وده بيستيو.
Target down.
The red team will capture the base in 10 seconds. B has been activated.
هذا الشالح
Fire. Dead. Reloading. Cover me.
Base B.
Kill.
دلوقتي تشكل.
A weapon crate has been activated.
هذا الجدار يا غير.
Nice shot.
يارلو.
Cover me.
بص وين تريوري بيشتغل.
Base successfully.
أطفال. ما شو بيشتغل.
So overall gaming performance guys of this phone is great. It's awesome. No lags, no latency, good graphic experience, and very smooth performance. And if you like the video and if you want to see more tech reviews like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.